guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech. In this video I am going to start a new playlist or a new series about YouTube, how to make channel, monetize your YouTube channel, thumbnail and each and everything, and how to earn with them. So let's get started. First let me open my touches in developer option. If you want this and that setup or much better Android setup, so there's a link in the description below, go and check it out. There are two methods, one browser method and second is YouTube app method. So YouTube app method is very easy, so first we do that. Go to your this option, home, and then create your new account. But I also created a new account by mistake to checking. But then you click on this icon. You can see clearly that you can see like this. This picture or this screen. Let me name it as perfect gamer. Perfect GM perfect gamers. Okay, description, add description. Be it until next video, I will show each and everything. Logo, channel art. This is for you that you are also watching videos on YouTube and like some videos. So if you want to share, so turn off. If you want not share, open. If you want to share your subscriber count, turn off. If you want not share your subscriber count, open. Want to share your playlist, turn off. Want to share not playlist, turn off. On. Back and so there's another method to make account from Google or Chrome method. So open your Chrome browser or any, but I prefer Chrome browser. YouTube, 3 dots, request desktop site. Then you can clearly see that icon here, this icon. Tap on that icon and wait for that screen when it's completely loaded. Responding. My channel, create channel. When you click on my channel, then this screen will appear. But I also create channel, customize channel. Same thing. I will show you each and everything after this video. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel for further update. I will completely customize channel like my channel. So make sure you subscribe and turn notification on for my further update. So guys, bye bye, take care.